Python, a widely used, interpreted, object-oriented, and high-level programming language used for general-purpose programming. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released on February 20, 1991. It offers many things like open source, easy-to-learn syntax, and most importantly, power, which everyone requires. It is widely used over the world to build websites and softwares, automate tasks, conduct data analysis, code artificial intelligence and machine learning. Also, you need to know Python for placements in big tech companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google. And therefore, in this video, we are going to install Python on Android so you can practice it from anywhere, anytime, without having to carry your heavy laptop or desktop with you all the time, or sitting all day long at the table in front of your desktop computer. So, without wasting any more of your precious time, let's get started with the procedure. From the link given in the description box, you will land on this site. From here, you have to download an application called Tomux. To download that, scroll a bit down and you will see some links to download that application. First of all, you will see a link to download F-Droid. Don't download it. So just scroll a little bit more and you can see this latest version of Tomux. Here, you will see a link to download that application. So just click on this link and the download will start automatically. After the download has started, just go to the download section of your browser. In my case, it is Brave for Android. Here you can see the download process. Once the download is completed, install the application and open it. Inside Tomux, we'll first update all the pre-installed packages. For that, we have a command pkg update and pkg upgrade. Type this command and hit enter. And as soon as you hit enter, the process will begin. This will take certainly a lot of time according to internet speed. During this process, you will be prompted for yes or no. Type yes or Y so that we can install Python on our Android safely. Till the packages are getting updated, you can go like the video, press the subscribe button and set the notifications to all so that you never miss any update on this channel. Also, you can share your experience installing Python on your Android phone through this video in the comments box below. In my case, this process is taking too much of time, so I'm going to fast forward the video for you so that you don't have to wait a lot to install Python on your Android phone. In your case, this might take longer or maybe less time than that of mine, so you don't have to worry about that. It is completely okay. Once this is completed, we now have to install Python. For that, we have a command that is pkg install python. So just type this command into Tomux and hit enter. After you hit enter, the process will begin. And now you have to do the most important part for this process, that is control your excitement level. As after this process gets completed, you will be able to use Python on Android phones for the very first time. On the screen, you can see the download size and the disk space it is going to cover on your phone. After some time, you will notice that pip also installed combinedly with the Python package automatically. For those who do not know about pip, it is used for managing third-party modules inside Python. Now, as you can see, Python is installed on our Android phone successfully. To confirm, we will run a command that is python space -v, and if this returns the latest version of Python, bingo, we have successfully installed the Python on our Android phone. You can also do pip -v to see what version of pip is installed on your device. As of now, we are done with the installation process. So now we will start using Python and pip on our Android phone. For that, we have two ways. First, to install an application called Code from Play Store, or we can also install VS Code inside our Tomux. If you don't know how to install VS Code on Android, I have a video on that, and also I will paste the link in the description box. Among these two, I prefer VS Code because it has a built-in terminal which allows you to see the output right inside your text editor. But remember, if we use VS Code for writing code, we need to again download Python inside the Ubuntu terminal. If you're following my video to install VS Code, you don't need to do anything extra to install Ubuntu in your Tomux, because I have already showed how do we install Ubuntu inside our Tomux in that video. Now, if you follow that video, you will be able to install Ubuntu properly. And after you have installed Ubuntu, just open that and type apt install python 3.8 inside the Ubuntu terminal, not in the regular Tomux. After that, the download process will begin. Again, you need to remember that you need to press Y whenever it asks you for Y or N. Once Python is installed, we now need to install pip inside our Ubuntu terminal. For that, just type apt install python 3 -pip and the process will begin. And remember, whenever we prompted for yes or no, always type Y or yes for the full form. If you feel any difficulties in installing Python or pip, you can contact me on Instagram or add a comment down below in the comment section. As now we have installed both Python and pip inside our Ubuntu terminal, we can now start using VS Code. If you don't want to use VS Code, you can use Code, which is available free of cost on Play Store. You can download it from Play Store. This app doesn't have a built-in terminal, but you can still use it for editing your files, saving it, and you can run those files using the Tomux application. For that, just save your Python files, go to Tomux, and use the cd command to move into the directory in which you have saved your file. In my case, the file I was editing was inside the Ubuntu fs/root/python projects/main project/src. Once you are in the folder in which the file was saved, you can use the Python command followed by the file name to run that file. And all the output from that file will be printed here, which in my case was just a simple hello world text. And the second way to run Python is to run directly inside the termux. For that, you just need to type Python and hit enter, and a idle-like interface will open in front of you. And here you can execute all your Python commands. This is pretty good for debugging and some simple tasks, but this idle-like interface is not built for making big projects. For working on big projects, I would suggest to use VS Code or A Code as per your choice. As I am showing here some of the basic commands which you would use on the idle-like interface, that is the print command, the simple mathematics calculations, or you can write complex calculations also. But for big projects, I would generally suggest to use VS Code or A Code. Okay, so guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked it, kindly press the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you never miss any update from this channel. Also, if you have some ideas on which I should make videos on, you can tell me in the comment section.